What's up, y'all? It's Seeley.
Yeah, in the house.
We're joined by her. Our daddy gave us a script, so I don't know what we're doing. And then the next script is I am out of here.
Where are you going?
He's done soon. So soon. So today we're gonna do a photo shoot. I don't know what kind of photo shoot because yeah, I forgot about this. Yeah. So I'm gonna spray her with this right in the face. We're gonna get her all soaked. Get ready.
I'm ready.
Be sure to subscribe
Click the link below.
and smash that like button so you can get notified every single day. Well, not every single day. Just when our videos are uploaded. I don't know YouTube food.
They're 100% your kids.
What's going on, y'all? Today we are with the amazing
Allie Jean.
and we're going to do a fake shower set using some cheap products we got at Home Depot and Lowe's. The total product cost was about $70, and now we're going to use this to spray her to get her soaked.
Oh! Here's a better demonstration. My turn. No. My turn.
Swap.
Swap.
So have you ever been in touch with the water bottle like this?
No. Don't you see all this dryness? Come on.
Okay. Here. We need a refill. No, we don't.
Okay, so we have a setup here. We have a piece of plexiglass that got 30 bucks. We've got a C-stand with a boom arm. That's not included in the pricing. Got a water bottle. I've got the model there. I have a black sheet in the back, so that dark is the background. I've got 2 LED lights that I'm using to light this set. So I'm trying to be a little bit more creative by using some colored gels, but I suck at gels, so I don't know how these shots would turn out. I'm using 2 Interfit LED monolights. I've got a Canon 5D Mark IV with a 50mm 1.2. We're gonna be shooting with the LED lights to start, and then we'll see how it goes. Good. Love it. Perfect. Good. Yeah. Okay. Ooh, I like it. Yeah. Perfect. Good. Nice. Love that. And then you see. Oh, cool. Nice. Love that. Push more air into the face. Ooh, that. Good. Good. Yeah. Good.
I know the story of your life through winter storms and summer skies. There was a time when you were